What's up, guys? Today we're in Manila, Philippines, and we're over in Baclaran. We're gonna go check out Baclaran Church. Yeah, check it out. I'm too lazy to film and vlog, so I'll just do a live stream. Let's go. I'll re-upload this regardless. This is new, this fountain, and also the ground. As you can see here in Baclaran, the ground here, it used to be like gravel walking up to this church. Now it's cobblestone. Let's go check out Baclaran. One thing I like on the right side going in, there's a lot of artworks here. Look at all these padlocks. As you guys know, I am demonetized from YouTube, so I have kind of lost a lot of drive, but it's all good. I've been filming and making videos even before that, and I'll continue to do it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this virtual tour of Baclaran Church. They went there? Yeah. Ah, it's the front. And I want to check out these. These are cool. Today is also Sunday, so yeah, there's a mass going on. This is also my mom's favorite church, because I know she lives near here. Shout out to you, Mom.
Mahigit pa kay sa mundo, ang ibig ko sa iyong harap. Mahigit pa kay sa gintong pinuli at dinalisay. Kaya iyong buntuin mo ang siya kong sinusunod. Pagkat ako'y namumuhi sa namang
I mean, right over here on the left side of Baclaran, or exit, you can check out the market that's on the road. I think it's called the Redemptus Road. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, let's go look at this, the fountain with all the monies. They used to have like a food market over here. But let me go peek the marketplace. I know we're gonna head over here after, but I don't think I'll live stream it. As you can see, everything's kind of opening up with the street market here in Baclaran. Alright, let's go check it out a bit. We'll head back and the live stream, and then we'll probably check it. I might go live stream, who knows. See all the stalls, there's no place. I need to come here and get some stuff for Mikael. I'm actually here to try to find a place where I can break change, because I need some change. For some reason, everywhere here having, oh look at that. Yeah, so for some reason in the Philippines, having 1,000 pesos, the blue bill, is pretty hard to exchange for change. So it's best to have the purple, which is 100, and 500. I think I'll head over behind the church. Ooh, Taho, early morning Taho. Right now the time is about 7:30. This is Gigi Cruz Street here. The train up above.
Overruns t-shirt 100, overruns t-shirt 100, overruns t-shirt 100, overruns t-shirt 100.
I know they're redoing this whole road, see, because they're going to build another, I guess, platform for the trains here. It's gonna rain. I can see the weather. We're heading back and it will turn into the Gigi Cruz. For those just joining, hello, welcome to Manila, Philippines, especially Baclaran. We're around the roads near the church of Baclaran Church. The time is about like 7:30 here. The weather is very gloom, nice windy, it's not hot because it might rain, but there's a lot. It's about my second day back in the Philippines. I kind of filmed a live vlog yesterday, but I don't have the great Wi-Fi to upload it, so when I do, I do. Yeah, but it's sprinkling, so we'll head over here to Gigi Cruz.